Can you really make money with Wealthy Affiliate? In today's video, we're going to be showing you how you can actually turn Wealthy Affiliate into a money-making machine for you. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned right to the very end. We're going to run through exactly what Wealthy Affiliate is, how you can actually earn money with it, and we're going to be giving you loads of different examples of how people have actually made money with Wealthy Affiliate. As you can see here, Ricky has earned $80,000 in earnings in 2022. We've got Tony. So he states that Wealthy Affiliate has paid him on the first of every month for the past 83 months. How cool is that? What a regular income that can be. So here's another one. I made $375 on the 2nd of May. What about this? He says, I've sold another website thanks to Wealthy Affiliate. So this is what you can do if you are actually creating digital assets that you could actually sell on. Dale here, it says, I just found $7,229. And as you can see here, it says he's had 1,900 clicks and he said he's got unpaid earnings of $7,500. Now, Rick here, he's had early success with PPC ads as well because of Wealthy Affiliate. And as you can see, look, he's actually started making money through his PPC ads. Here we go, $230 is my tea time earnings. Partha, he's actually earned $4,899 for 16 hours work. Would you want to actually earn that sort of money? Stay tuned. Zarina, surprising $5,800 results in January 2023. And the last one, here's Ivan. He's got his income report, 50,000 plus. Without further ado, let's jump across to Wealthy Affiliate and find out exactly how you can get started, how much is it going to cost you, and is it worth your time? Well, I think we've already discovered it possibly could be worth your time. Now, I'll leave a link in the description below here, which will take you probably to a page like this, which you'll probably see my name, and it'll just say, you're just seconds away from training, support, websites, and success online. Just fill in your details and you can access a free account to go and check it out. So once you've signed up, let's dive inside the website and find out a little bit more about how you can actually start using Wealthy Affiliate. Okay, so we've come into my dashboard on Wealthy Affiliate. As you can see, I've been a member since 2018. And I've currently got a ranking of 445 out of probably about 2 million active users. So basically what Wealthy Affiliate is, you will be able to set up and learn all about how to create your own websites. You'll also be able to get the right tools, and they supply hosting and all that sort of thing that you can actually use to start your journey. Okay, so they also tell you how to obviously monetize those websites using various different methods, including affiliate marketing. Now, there's loads of different training inside here. Once you get inside, you just click on the training here and it's got the online entrepreneur certificate. Getting started is level 1. This course is absolutely free. You can get started for free and you can have your first website up and running on the internet within a couple of hours. It really is that quick. And this is what I like about Wealthy Affiliate. Once you go through the actual course, let's just view the course here. Once you start going through it, this is lesson 1. You've also got tasks on the side of here and it tells you exactly what you have to do. Okay. And this will go through the whole lesson. As you can see, there's loads of different tasks you can actually do. They also give you an affiliate bootcamp as well. And again, the phase 1 of this is completely free. But you've got obviously up to 70 lessons you can go through. And you can just take this at your own pace, guys. You don't have to rush through this. You can literally do it a little bit at a time. And there are various classes as well here that you can click on and you can enter. Okay, so there's all about search engine optimization, WordPress, niche research, pay-per-click marketing, YouTube, copywriting, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and the list goes on and on and on. Hot topics here, you've got the top 10 training. So you've got trainings here as well, new questions. So you can obviously ask questions and people in the community will help you answer those questions. So how much is it going to actually cost you to be a Wealthy Affiliate paid up member? Now you can start off as a premium member for just $49 per month. So that is super cheap, really, when you think of what you're actually getting. You're going to be able to actually host with that up to 10 websites. Okay. So again, you could obviously build up various different websites. You could also host your friends' websites as well and charge them for hosting it. So if you wanted to actually do a yearly subscription, you can actually save a couple of months as well. So it really is very, very cheap because you are learning from people that are earning thousands of dollars here. You've also got the two owners. You've got Kyle and Carson as well, who are readily available. They do some of the trainings and things like that as well. And you can ask them any questions you like, which is really, really good. So what I would do is definitely check out the free version, and you can then go and check out exactly how it all works in a bit more detail, and then also upgrade to the premium. I think you even get a discount for your first month of the premium as well. So it's definitely worth checking that out. Just literally go through all the training. It is all laid out for you step by step. And as you go through the training, you will start to see results. Then you can obviously build one website, and then you could also do a different niche and build another website, etc. And you could build up a whole affiliate marketing business on Wealthy Affiliate. And like I say, like some people have then sold the websites, they've obviously earned money from elsewhere, and some of them are earning well into a few $1,000s every single month. So definitely check out Wealthy Affiliate on the free membership. I'll leave a link in the description below here where you can go and do that. And obviously come back and ask any questions you have. Just ask them in the comments, and I'll be only too happy to go and answer them. Once you're in there, just hook up with me as well, and obviously I can then help you out inside Wealthy Affiliate as well as on my YouTube channel. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.